Welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. Welcome to St. Louis. Austin, I'm gonna kill you. Welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. I really don't trust Austin to start moaning or something when I'm filming this, because he's done that 3 times so far. Let's see, what have we got going on? Actually, we're not technically in Missouri. We're technically in Illinois. We're just across the river, but you can see the arch from the racetrack, so it's basically St. Louis. This weekend we have Priority Systems on the car, and they've got a cool sticker that the red that's normally red in Priority Systems, it's pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is pretty cool. And 1 qualifying session today, that's it. But we're ready to go fast and hit that mysterious number we've been chasing for a little bit. Well, we got a new guy sitting in the car. Mr. Tony here has been helping Dad with his reaction times this past week or so, trying to help him get better so that we can be more competitive, and he's over to here to help Dad out a little bit.
I'm going to make a quick down and back.
So Heather unfortunately wasn't able to make it this weekend because of a previous commitment. So we're all a little bit scrambling, trying to make sure everything's correct on the car. And
as the night goes on,
we're almost up.
Hey, race.
407 at 299. It had a hole out on both sides, it looked like, so hopefully nothing's hurt. We're gonna get back to the pit and check on it. Okay, so last we talked, it was right after the run, and we are decently happy with that 407. What we aren't so decently happy about is what we discovered after we got back to the pit, which is we lost a full set of heads, and we nearly thought we had to change the motor, but it turned out to be all right. Austin was able to polish the junk out of the crank, thankfully, and so now Marbles is in there working on heads, and we're just kind of trying to finish up. Tyler's putting the clutch in, but let me show you what happened to at least one of the heads. Johnny West, solvent tank pump repair specialist. I just got handed this screwdriver. So something went through that and made it a little not bueno. But one thing that I have been meaning to talk about in my videos is we have a bunch of heads and blocks that are in the shop that we're just trying to get rid of, that we've accumulated over the years, that are junk heads and stuff. So I'm going to drop a link to my Facebook Marketplace profile. If you guys want to go check it out and see if there's anything you want, there's going to be cams and heads and blocks and all kinds of stuff listed on there that we're going to try and get rid of and earn some money for keep this race car going. So there's a link in the description down there, and you might even end up with this head if you really want. So yeah. So we're having some issues with the solvent tank, like washing bits pump thing, that neither me, Austin, Johnny, or Dad can figure out. So we're doing the old spin cycle on this rack to get it clean.
Tumble dry. Yeah, you guys gotta.
I've never gone back for seconds of apples, but whatever these apples are, they are really good. This is my second apple. I've never gone back for seconds of an apple. Alright. Car's been warmed up, it's ready to go. Tyler's over here making some final adjustments in the clutch area. The car's good to go. I'm fixing to head up to the line to film some clients. Dad is over here doing a mobile Lone Star block repair. How's that going for you?
Slowly.
Slowly. Yeah, I see that.
We're getting it. We'll get it.
Cool. And then in a little bit, it's time to go fast.
The Angel Toyota over here on the right side. World champ in the category.
Nice shoot, Tyler. A couple of heavy hitters, Robert Hite, Cruz Pedregon, Ron Capps, Alexis DeJoria running in front of us because they qualified behind us last night. We are still currently 10th, so that's pretty cool. Austin shut him off. So Dad and Johnny decided that we were going to skip the second session, so the car is just dummied together. Austin's working on finishing up the last pieces on the spare motor. I'm going through and replacing the intake studs, and we're just getting stuff ready for tomorrow so that when we go some rounds, we are ready. So we get some stuff ready to go. So Austin, what is it you came up and told me and Tyler a minute ago?
What did I tell you?
Bruh. About first round?
Oh, yeah. I quit. There you go, you'll win now.
Austin came up to Tyler and was like, if you guys are ready to send me out so that you guys can win round one, it's okay, I'll go.
Yeah, let's go and fire me.
Because we've only won rounds at races Austin isn't here.
I'll come back.
Yeah,
I'll take the throttle stop off still and all that.
Oh boy. So today is race day. We have John Force this morning, and his last 3 runs have been pretty inconsistent. There's been a 430, a 590, I think, and a 391. So one really good run in there, but the other 2 are slightly questionable. So we'll see how it goes this morning. Oh boy, she's looking like a race car. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, we're up here on the line, ready for round 1. Let's do this. That's pretty cool. We're rolling out of the track, and it looks like, you can't see it very well right now, looks like we're gonna roll nearly right past the arch up there in the distance. Not very far of a distance, but it's there somewhere. There it is. Check that out. That is pretty cool.
Helicopter taking off.
Oh, that is way cool.
Way cool.
Oh, check that out. Dude, that's a cool view. Okay, so that's one main thing that is super cool about riding in the truck or the motorhome. Flying is nice because it gets you there quicker, and it's kind of a necessity for school. We were able to work it out this time, but it is cool seeing all the views and everything. I mean, we've been in 3 really cool parts of the country in the past few weeks. Reading is like my favorite place in the world, especially this time of year when leaves are starting to change color. It's just so cool. Charlotte, I didn't get to see much of, but it was a really pretty area. In St. Louis, you've got the Arch, you've got all this beautiful trees and freaking everything. It's just super, super cool, and I'm super grateful to be able to do it. So, just keep doing this. As Austin would say, we're back to looking like Blake Alexander or Austin Prock or some fancy driver guy. Next weekend at the Stampede of Speed, we are making 2 exhibition passes with the Big Show funny car that's up there for their concerts stuff. And we're hoping to make 4 passes with the Fool's Errand with me driving to get me some more practice. And then the Fool's Errand's going to make a couple of hits at Scott Palmer's sideshow thing. So that's going to be fun. And then the following Wednesday, we're hoping to get like 6 or 8 passes with the, maybe not 8, but hopefully 6 passes, again with the Fool's Errand with me driving, and make a big bit of progress on my license. And I wanted to go through and try all the gear on and make sure everything still fits good, because you don't want to get there and be like, oh, nice, the fire suit doesn't fit, because at this point, there's still time to call Cameron up and say, hey, I need your fire suit, buddy. Which thankfully everything fits good. But on that note, St. Louis, it was fun. We were hoping to go some rounds, but it's all good. It's part of it. When it's time for us to go rounds and do really good, it'll happen. So hopefully that time's in Dallas when everybody's there. Other than that, I'm gonna try and get all the YouTube videos caught up this week so I can go into the Stampede of Speed on top of everything. No complete promises there, but it's all good. But on that note, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Never give up, and I will see you guys on Friday.